going way too fast, pretty much. Speed limit's 25.
No, I know I wasn't going 25 miles an hour. And since Miss Berg was such a good calculus teacher, I can prove it.
You know what, kid? I don't care about stupid math. I don't care if you know how to do nothing. You're wrong and I know it.
No, please, sir. Let me show you.
Just because I'm not feeling very sassy today, I'll let you. Are you pretty strong? Do you work out?
Yeah, I do, actually.
Yeah, I try to, but it's kind of hard.
In order to prove his jerky neighbor wrong, here's what Chip did. First, he drew a diagram of the hill, L being the length of the hill and H being the height. In order to find L, Chip drove up the hill at a constant speed of 10 miles an hour and recorded how long it took. He found out that it took 36.4 seconds to do so. He multiplied these two values together to get a total result of 0.101 miles. In order to find the height, he used a GPS device to measure the altitude at the top and bottom of the hill. At the top of the hill, the altitude is 845 feet. At the bottom, it's 748 feet. Subtracted, we get a result of 87 feet, and converted into miles, that's 0.016 miles. After figuring out these two values, Chip used them to find the sine of the angle of the hill, which is 0.163. After this, Chip drew a diagram to find out his acceleration going down the hill. He found that his acceleration is g times the sine of theta. After multiplying these two values together, Chip found out his acceleration was 3.576 miles per hour per second. After he found out his acceleration, he knew he could integrate that to find out his velocity, but first he needed to know how long it took him to get down the hill. He timed himself and found out to go in a perfectly straight line down the hill, it took him 6.4 seconds. He then integrated the acceleration function to find out his velocity. He found out his velocity was 22.888 miles per hour.
Right here, 22.888 miles per hour.
Oh yeah? How do you explain this then, you little weed head?
Nah, man, that guy stole my stuff. I know I shouldn't have held it out in front of him. Dang it. Why do I have these gloves on? He showed me the math and he was right. Now I have these gloves on and I'm stuck outside. And my back is in the tree. How do I end up in the tree? I first put the skateboard in the tree and now that's up there. That's not cool. I don't like that very much and it's hot outside. And the wind is blowing in my hair, is getting in my face. Why do I always do this? I can't control the neighborhood kids. Who can? The police? No. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
That shizzle don't make no sense. Die!